Hi, YouTubers. This is Johnny. Today I'm going to talk about IBM Guardium. This is a database security product, obviously from IBM. I'm going to talk about only upgrade. So when we see the notifications, sometimes you can get the notification to talk about is about you have some update available here. Get the alarm update that are available. So there's 3 right now. One is for appliance patch, one is for the bundle patch, one is for TPS. So you can directly go to the downloading page and download it. So for filtering that exactly patch you need, and you can do the download directly from website. The patch usually couple hundred meg. This one is 430 meg. There's also these nodes. Please read it before you do the installation. So then you can just click here and you will just start downloading. For my situation, I already downloaded 3 patches and 3 patches. So now we're gonna upload it into the system and working from it. This is a SSH session. Once you log in with the CLI command, you may want to start on your server name. Then file server started. Then if you want to stop this file server, then you just enter. Basically, open the 8445 this port. This is file manager, Guardium file manager. So the command file server command basically just open 8445 for this your machine only. Specify name on the IP and you can do it. So upload. And we patch file. First one. Second one. Is 1 gig. It's gonna take a while. Not bad. Last one. 568 megabytes. Not bad. Okay, finish it uploading now. So we can terminate our file server. Because as you can see, they're registering patch files in the directory. So we are installing Secure Guard version 11, P12 bundle November 5. So they're gonna register in those patches. So we will first one register succeeded. But second one same time close. Take a look. Second, this one just registered. Second one is an update. Third one is quarterly DPS update. So two of them, let's just succeed. Sure. So we got two patches now, sniff patch, update bundle, but not the third one. Third one may be used in different way to do the updating. The DPS, it may not apply to my situation. We will check that later. So let's go back to the Guardian GUI and see how we can apply those patches. Type available patches. What do we go to manager? We go to central manager. Go to central management. Patch distribution. Patch distribution. It's gonna take a while. Let's check in status. Refresh. So it take a while to get. Okay, we refresh to the status. It shows running now. Copy the file. Now we're gonna wait. See again. Okay, I refresh it again. It shows executing post install action. It shows running. Can wait a bit. Zoom recording. Flash. Okay, this one is done. Let's finish it. Back. Go back here again to patch installation for this bundle update patch. Now, it depending on site. Good patches requested. Can pause it for a moment. Okay, it's copying the file right now. It's a 1 gig patch file, bundle patch. Can take a while. Decrypt the patch file. Setting RDS off. As long as click refresh, see the latest data. I'm gonna pause a little and come. Okay, I can refresh again. Now it shows unit is offline. Probably it's rebooting. So we're gonna take a look and see if it's gonna work. We're gonna wait a while to see. After probably 5 to 6 minutes waiting. Come back to this page and then I want to see the patch installation status. Now done. It's patch installed successfully. So we install those two patches, 12 and 4003. Now I'm going to show you how to do the patch installation in Central Manager. Just log in Central Manager and then just show system patch available. Then you will see your available patches here. I'm going to install those patch number 12 and patch number 4003. One is bundle patch, one is default patch. Install system patch, install system. Install this. There's a bunch of patch. We need to find the patch we need to do. We need to do one client first. Okay, patch has been submitted and it will be installed. And okay, that's perfect. Out. And we do the second one as well. We have two patches need to work on. Okay, system has disconnected. A couple minutes to wait it to come back. Okay, still high. Power. We did the first patch. We can show system patch status. Okay, we do second patch. Pause, patch, install this. For the DPS file. If you downloaded the DPS file, which we downloaded, then we need to use different way to upload it. It's not supposed to come in here. So that was my mistake. So now I'm going to show you how to do the DPS update. It's going to go into vulnerability assessment. I'm going to harden the vulnerability assessment and then go into custom upload. DPS is here. File. No, let's update. We took a DPS update. It's fast. Into control. Okay, stage back. Okay, we did upload the latest TPS. Good now.